Okay, welcome back to round two. The roof repair on the gambrel roof. As you can see, all the shingles have been removed. Bad portion of the plywood has been cut out. And we're ready to put the new piece of plywood back in. We're only repairing a portion of this. The whole roof should be replaced, but we're going to do this a little bit more over-engineered like I do everything. And this area here will never ever leak again. So we'll put the plywood down and start re-shingling.
Oops.
Alright, with that done, we're going to put the shingles back on the front here. We'll come up here and we'll show you how we're going to make this totally leak proof forever. It'll never leak in this area again. Not to bash on any other contractors, but a simple quick fix for all of this roof here, especially that problem that was right there, would be to caulk this seam right here, right where the caps meet the shingles. When the roof gets older, these things start to curl. As you can see, them starting to curl up just a little bit, which allows water to penetrate inside there and hit all these nails that are down below. Once the water finds a nail hole, it's a leak. So a quick fix for most normal contractors would just be to come out here, tar this seam, charge you $200 and call it a day in about 10 minutes. The right way of fixing it is what I'm doing. You tear it apart, replace the plywood. I'm going to put the same shingles back on just to match the color. And then what we're going to do with this right here is this tin here. I'm going to roll this tin out and bend it right around this area right here, over top of the shingles from down here up to the plywood up here. Then we're going to shingle over top of the tin, which makes the water run down, hit the tin, carry on onto the rest of the roof down below. So this area will never ever leak again. Nails.
You will use that one. Better pala this.
I hate these roofs, man. Gotta do it off the ladder.
You put back again.
Push button.